guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a recipe that you can use to gain weight naturally in the right places. This recipe is very easy to make. I'll be making use of natural ingredients that has healthy calories that you need for your body. This recipe will not make you gain weight in the wrong places like on your tummy or on your cheeks, but it's going to help you gain weight up here and down there and help you achieve that curvy look naturally. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And whenever my video pop up on your screen, don't hesitate to click on it because I always have helpful and useful recipes to share with you that you can try out at home. Open up the description box. I have some links there for you, including a link where you can get a free ebook for your skincare DIYs. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We rely heavily on your support to continue creating content like this, as this channel doesn't have any display ad on it. Please support us by using the super thanks button. Send any amounts that you are comfortable with, and this will go a long way in helping us create better content for you. What we'll be using for this is avocado, and avocado here is one of the ingredients that is very good when it comes to gaining weight. If you want to gain weight the right way and in the right places, you have to make use of ingredients that are natural and is going to help you gain weight the right way, so you won't be gaining weight in areas where you don't want to gain your weight, like your tummy. So I'm making use of a fresh avocado here. Avocado contains healthy calories that helps in gaining weight really fast. That is if you consume this regularly. So I'm just going to open this up, and here is what I have here. So I'll be removing this brownish part of the avocado because I don't want this, so I won't be making use of it. So I'll just have to remove it, peel it out. So I'm trying not to waste this avocado, so I'm taking it really gently. After removing the brownish part, here is what we have. So for this, I'm going to be making use of one part of this avocado. So I'm going to get my blender and I'll transfer this into the blender, cutting it in smaller chunks, just like this. So you can prefer or you can choose to make use of both of these and then preserve whatever is left afterwards, but I won't be using both of it. So and my avocado is really big, so that's why I'm making use of just half part of it. The next ingredient I'll be using is peanut or groundnut. So you can choose to, no matter what you call it, whether you call it peanut, you call it groundnut, that is what we'll be using here for this. So if you don't have this one, you can make use of your peanut butter instead. So I just have about 2 handfuls of my peanut in here. So I'm going to be adding this also. This is very proteinous and also helps in gaining weight really fast. So I'm just going to pour this in here, and that is my peanut and my avocado in my blender. The next thing I'll be using for this is oat, and here I'm just making use of my white oat. Oat is really good when it comes to gaining weight. So you want to, I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of oats, white oats, into this weight gain drink or smoothie that I'm preparing. So this is my oats, and I'll just transfer that into this as well. This is the next and last ingredient that we'll be using for this, which is milk. So I'm just making use of about 1 glass cup of milk here. It's not really full, it's just here, somewhere here, because we'll be adding it to that, and I don't want to prepare something that is too much at a particular time. So milk here is also very, very good when it comes to gaining weight, and you want to make sure you are using the right kind of milk for this. So ensure you are not using the milk that is meant for slimming, like slimming milk. So make use of a good milk that contains good calories, that helps in gaining weight for this. And I'm just going to pour all the milk into this. And yes, you can see how beautiful it's turning out already. The next thing I'm going to do with this is to go ahead and blend it. And after blending it, I'll be back to show you exactly what it looks like. After blending it, here is what we have. It's really thick because of the oat that is in it. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to transfer this. This is the consistency that I have here. So I'm going to transfer this back into my glass cup. You can see we have 1 full glass cup of weight gain smoothie. So this smoothie is not really sweet, so you can add your sweetener to this. You can add your honey to this before blending it if you want to have that sweet taste. Let me come closer so you see what it looks like. So here is what this smoothie looks like. It's really nice and it tastes really good. You can taste all the ingredients in it, the avocado, the oat, the milk, everything is in here. So go ahead and drink this every day. Okay, drink this every day for at least 1 week, and then you are going to start noticing results. But continue using this for 1 month straight to get a better result. The simple and easy way to make this recipe. You can see how easy it looks and how yummy and healthy that looks. Go ahead and drink this regularly until you achieve your desired results. And for those of you that may want to ask if or how long you should take it, or if you should stop taking it when you achieve your desired results, no, don't stop taking it, because if you stop taking it, you may lose back that weight. So continue taking it unless you see that you are getting past your desired weight, then you can discontinue taking it. So this is just a very healthy smoothie or a healthy recipe that you can take. It doesn't have any side effects, so it's something that you should be taking often because it's healthy and it's also good for your body and your metabolism. So if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also leave your comments down below, because I want to know if you will be trying out this recipe, if you've tried it already, and how it is working for you. Do let me know in the comment section below. Check out my vlog channel where I make videos with my husband, and grab a free copy of my DIY skincare ebook down in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.